Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set black levels in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Then after it loads, until that we have to wait, in the bottom we have to tap on light. This opens up this little pop-up, and if we scroll down to the bottom we find blacks in the little slider. Then if we can move the slider to the right or the left. What it does is that if we slide it to the left, then the parts that are black in our image are going to become darker, as you can see here. And if we move it to the right, then the parts that are black are going to be lighter, as you can see here. So you can play around with it and find the perfect match for your taste. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.